to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking out from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. Me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Ain't my number, isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking out from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
I'm going to remove your safety so you can make your way up to the other platform.
But it's time to let it go.
Belize is like one of the only areas you could actually do cave tubing in Central America. And this cave system here is one of the most popular cave you could ever go through. Once you get here to the park of Nahutch to end, we get you carried up. Gonna take a little, about 30 minutes hike through the rainforest, natural trail. You learn about different medicinal plants. We try to make our guests try to appreciate much more of nature, much more of what is on earth that we could take care of and love. Getting to this cave system is amazing. Scientists themselves say that the caves are like a living organism. Stalactites, stalagmites inside this cave system take over 100 years just to grow 1 centimeter, and that is a mystery on its own. This is what people come, they love, they enjoy, and my guests, they're like, wow.